Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. Now, this update is for Monday, the 27th of March, 2023. All right, my name is Robert Roy. Let's go ahead and jump in, folks. The market just literally seconds ago closed up. I'm still waiting for the data to finish up here on my Omega charts, but I do have my green line drawn in there to show us that's where we closed. So very close to where we were. We're in a neutral bias right now on the market. We did close higher on the week. If we go back and look at a weekly chart, we did close higher on the week than the open, right? There's 2 weeks in a row now we've had gains, even though we had some really ugly output on the last couple of days. Yesterday was a higher close than the previous day's close, but not a higher close based on the candle itself. So what are we looking at here? We're in a mess. We're in an absolute mess. We're inside of all of our moving averages. If you look very closely, you will see two dot dash lines now. One of them is the orange one. You look for a reference. If you look in the upper left-hand corner, the orange is the 233 simple moving average, and the purple is the 89 simple moving average. They're both a dot dash type line. They're kind of buried in here right now. I mean, they're everything. We're just pinned everywhere with our moving averages. We had crossed the other day with the 233 and the 89. I do not use 200 or 50. You're welcome to use any ones you want. I just find much more accuracy with these two levels, 233, 89, both simple. I go up to 55 exponential moving average. Anything above that is a simple moving average. All right, so we got those moving averages in place, and what's happening there, guys? Again, we're finishing in that neutral bias. We've got some short-term supports and resistances around the 8 moving average, which right now is 39.51. We've got the 21 moving average, which right now is 39.64. So we're really close. We've got the fib lines of 39.80 and 39.29, just barely on the outside of that. But here's the thing. We ain't got up there on a close. We've got to get back to where we were on Tuesday and close up here again. This fail on Wednesday, this whacked out candle on Thursday. Nice bounce, good recovery after the massive pullback on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. Not surprised to see a little bit of a bounce in it. It's kind of a woo! Yeah, we're just going to chill out a little bit for the weekend now, right? Let the bulls get a little bit back. I don't know if we're going back down, if we're going back up. I still don't see the strength in the economy. We've got a month, 40 some odd days, I think it is, until the next Fed meeting. So there's a lot of speculation of what happens and where do we go from there, right? If we look at the VIX, for some perspective, let me get you a little bit of a bigger picture. So the last couple of days have kind of been sideways-ish, big movements from high to low, tops to bottoms, right? And I don't really care about moving averages on here. That's not really what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the positioning of the VIX itself. Where did it close? Where did the pattern move to? The bulls really tried to win here, and they could not. Just like yesterday, the bulls, the bears, sorry. They could not. That strong stretch up, bears, right, on the upside with VIX. That strong stretch up, they couldn't hold on, right? When we go back over one last time and look at the S&P 500, un momento, there we go. We pushed back down through that 39.29 level yet again. So I am not convinced that we have beaten the bear back. If you look at yesterday's low, look at today's low, we broke down lower. Look at today's open, we were lower on the open today, lower than the close we were on Wednesday. So we're getting a lot closer to that 39.29, that 618 to go kaplunk and pierce through that. If this happens, folks, where are we headed to next? We're looking at 38.66 as the next downside target. Keep your eyes on the blue lines, 40.39. That is our next upside that we've got to get through for our recent swing high. Or 38.38, Mockingbird, no, never mind. 38.38.24, that would be on our bottom for our recent swing low, right? Of course, you still have the 38.66.19 to get to. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you all at our next update. Bye for now.